Let's talk about calendars and why they're important to a business, how you can use them in the AI empires. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is come to the left hand side on this tab and we're going to click on calendars. Now we can come up here for calendar settings, and what we're going to do is just kind of take a look at all the calendars that I have inside here and how we can really set them up. I'm going to take the AI Empires onboarding call, and we're going to go take a look at that one and edit all of those settings, just so you guys can see really how many calendars you can set up and how many different uses you have for your business. Or, if you have 6 different types of bookings, you need to book those 6 different types of appointments and keep them all in the same place. That's what the AI Empires does, all right? So the first thing we're going to do is you want to upload a logo. That's just a square shape, so I use Canva, just 1080 by 1080. Just give it a name, the AI Empires onboarding call. So description here, I'll say welcome. Ooh. So I'm going to have to say something a little different. Welcome to the AI Empires. Get started today by using the educational community and choose a date time that works for you for our 30-minute onboarding call. Okay, so give it a nice little title. I don't have any groups right now, and that's going to be our URL that we can share with people. Onboarding call with contact name. The platform is going to put it in there for you. And location, you can put in your Zoom meeting here or your link here. I have a custom location, and this is going to a custom value that has the Zoom link for that meeting. So it's automatically going to be included in any meeting I create. Always make sure to click save in the top right there. And what we're going to do is go down to availability. Here's where you can set your hours during the week. So right now I'm just running wide open, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Thursday. Let's change these hours. Let's bring it up. 8 p.m. Let's go. All right. We are onboarding all day and all night. That's what you got to do when you launch a business. Look busy. Give me that 10% booking. Kind of a trick, but everybody uses it. Meeting interval is just 30 minutes. Duration, same thing. Scheduling notice, people can book whenever. Date range, so 10 days into the future. Max bookings per day. I'm going to set that at, let's go 6 per day. Well, we'll go 5. Max bookings per slot, 1. And pre-meeting, post-meeting, you want to give yourself a little bit of time just to take notes or do anything you need to. Okay, so I'm going to click save again. Just out of habit, each section, anytime you make a change on something, click save. Easy money. So let's ask them some questions. What date, what time, and step 2 is our form. We're just going to use that default form. Name, email, phone. Let's just get you booked. Not hassle people too much with questions leading up to a meeting. Confirmation page is going to the default. Thanks, we'll be in touch shortly. And you can put in your Facebook Pixel ID if you're linked up to any Facebook ads, which we can definitely do. And you can accept payments for your meetings as well. So all options there, but that's how I'm just going to kind of leave mine. I just want people to schedule a 30-minute onboarding. They've already paid for the product. This is to get them set up and ready to roll. So again, I'm going to click save. And we're going to let that ride there. Notifications. How do I want to be notified or notify my team? Appointment booked. We're going to do an email and an app. Again, if you want to change these, like if you want to add maybe enable email notifications. Okay, good. Boom, we're on. In app, account admin. It's going to send it to whoever the admin of your platform that you can white label. So that's on there as well. So let's keep those settings, and you can add really anybody you want to this, anybody to the calendars. Let's go check out connections. That is what I'm going to link it to as far as my Google Calendar. Odds are people, have external calendars already, and you don't want to make this harder or make it just a complete switch. But if it links up with your external calendar that you already have up and running, It's a seamless addition, which makes it very easy to do. Make sure you connect your external calendar there. And then customizations, this is to give it, a little bit of your look. I just have my, again, cover image, primary color and background color, just to make the form under my brand colors and have it look good. I'll schedule a meeting. Calendar description details were good. And then if they need a custom code, I can put it in there. Mine's not set up that way. It's just set up to book the meeting, be ready to roll. But what's cool about the calendars, and probably my favorite feature of it, is if you check out all the different calendars, I can have an audit results call, social media management call, SEO call, digital marketing, content marketing, a demo call, and just a regular appointment. But they're all going to filter into the same calendar, but you want it to be that specific name, right? Like, we're going to be onboarding, or we're going to do a demo. You don't want to have an onboarding call and send it to somebody for a demo. It just doesn't look right. So internal, external, you can link all of your calendars and I'll have them set up in one place, which is another fantastic feature of the AI Empires. Is you're now consolidating a lot of your software down to one platform. You can live here and execute your business, which is going to save you so much time. You don't need to go to different platforms. You don't need to go to different places. You can hook up with QuickBooks. You can do all of your marketing, post all your social medias. You can manage all of your conversations, calendars, anything you need, and create automations that we'll get into in one of the next sections. But that is essentially the overview of the calendars. Create appointments, do whatever you need to do. But the main thing is consolidate into one place. That way you have one calendar to look at and not four. That is the calendars of the AI Empires. Make sure to stick around for the next section and we will go into more features.